Are you looking to buy a home, sell a home, or anything in between? Marquee Property Services, located right here in the Tampa area, is here to help.
We are a full-service brokerage. We handle residential and commercial real estate sales, along with property management and community association management. When I meet a new client, it's really imperative to find out what their motivation is in moving and really find out what their needs are. I want to really evaluate their wants versus their needs and try to incorporate everything into one when looking for the perfect home for them.
We caught up with Katie at this beautiful home, which she recently listed for sale. She's sharing some tips on how to make your home most appealing when you decide to sell it.
When you're looking to sell your home, it really is essential to prepare your home and ensure to declutter and take away personal items, because you really want a buyer to be able to come in and feel as if they're at home. If a buyer sees too many personal items, it's really hard for them to envision themselves at home. And you want them to be able to do that when they view your home as their potential new home. You really want to open up the house and make it as light as possible. Natural light is key, so opening all the blinds and the shutters and letting in all the light that you can is ideal. Always remember that light will make a space feel larger and appear larger than a dark space.
Did you know that fresh baked cookies can also help you sell your home?
There's nothing like walking into a home with the fresh smell of fresh baked cookies, and I think that it is a great way to just make your home and feel inviting to new buyers. Ideally, what you want to do is leave the home and give your buyer and your buyer's agent the opportunity to freely walk through and look at the home, and then the buyer will have the opportunity to ask their agent questions, and they feel as though they have an open forum when the seller's not there over them. When you stand over a buyer and you follow them around or try to sell your home, essentially, the buyer really can't feel as though they're at home.
Katie and her team have some important advice for buyers as well.
When you're looking to buy a home, it really is key to find a real estate professional that you're comfortable with. You want to ask all the right questions, and that includes how many transactions an agent has had in the last year. If they are newer, do they have good support, like a broker or a team leader that can assist them with the transaction so that you know you're in good hands?
Did you know there's a difference between a real estate agent and a broker?
Real estate agents and real estate brokers are pretty similar. However, real estate brokers typically are either the owner of the company or the manager of all the agents that operate in the office.
Just like in any other industry, markets do go up and down. Katie and the team at Marquee Services can help you navigate this too.
So it's very important for a buyer to get pre-qualified before shopping for a home and ensuring that they're looking for a home that's within their budget. Real estate can absolutely be one of the best ways to build your personal wealth and for an investment. However, you want to make sure to protect that investment. So you always want to keep up with yearly maintenance and make sure you take care of that investment in your home. Even in difficult markets where you might find yourself struggling to make your mortgage payments, it's really important to know what type of equity you may have in your home. The last thing you ever want to do is face foreclosure or handing your keys back to the bank. So having a close relationship with a realtor and understanding what the value is of your property is very important, especially in challenging times.
So what should you look for when you're searching for a new home?
As a buyer, it's very important to know what type of home that you need to fit your needs, size, bedrooms, bathrooms, but also is it important to be close to work, or are schools important for your children? Those are all very important aspects when shopping for a home. Your home provides a lifestyle for you, and if you enjoy to be outdoors, it's really important to have a nice space outside that you can enjoy and really, enjoy your life.
Want to know more about Marquee Services? Visit mar-keyservices.com or designingspaces.tv.